Please like and subscribe.
All right. So in today's video, I'm going to put some shelves on the wall over there. I have a lot of tools, and what I'm trying to do is put some shelves over there on the wall, similar to the setup behind me that was done previously by the previous homeowners, which is, I don't know if you can see it back there somewhere. And but no, I didn't do that. So people are like, you did that. No, it was already here. But I want to do something similar to that. I found I already marked where the studs are, and I'm going to put some wood across it, probably 3 feet sections going across, like left to right horizontally, and then kind of use that as the the weight bearing. Then once I do that, then I'm probably going to get some 2x4s and put them this way, perpendicular to those three, whatever's going across horizontally, to be the arms, I guess, if you want to call them that. Then once I get that out, then I'm going to probably use some to do the thing over there, and then I'll probably use those on for the tables going across horizontally to the shelves, to hold the things. So when I went to Home Depot yesterday or the other day, I got one of them, and it was like $15, $10. I don't know how much that shit was. It was like $12 just for one plank. Yeah, it was like it was almost $15. Yeah, but my neighbor, they were doing some work on their house and on the siding, and they were throwing away some. Some of it, like a third of it, was rotted, but the rest of it was good. So I was like, fuck it. I'm gonna use that for the shelves, recycle it. That saves me like almost $50-$60 right there. So yeah, that's what I want to do. So I'm in a rush. I'm not gonna show the cutting part, but I cut the 3 pieces that I was telling you about, and I actually put one on there. My camera's dead and my lights are dead, all the batteries. I didn't have time to charge them, so I'm doing it on my phone. There's one piece, and I'm gonna put one in the middle and then one in the bottom. So I'm trying to make up more room. I'm trying to get rid of this fucking mobile little cart thing to make more room for stuff, but we'll see. So I'm gonna do the one in the middle and the bottom. All right, so I'm gonna use the recycled wood, piece of wood there, to do the wood here. It's a 7.25 of the width, so I'm gonna need six arms coming out for perpendicular braces. So these are gonna be the perpendicular braces. I'm gonna cut them, do 6 of them, and that's what's gonna hold the weight of those shelves. So I did even those out. I leveled those, and then I'm gonna level this. I'm gonna use pocket screws to connect these over there. I'm not gonna put a lot of weight on there, but I'm also gonna put some wood glue on the edge when I'm screwing that in there, just to give it more strength. Cut a 7.25, and I'm using that as a guide for the other ones, so they all pretty much will come out the same way. I need 6 of them. All right, so I got the Craig 320, but it doesn't come with any instructions. I mean, so far I figured out most of it. You got to measure the thickness of the board. This is a 1.5 inch screw I'm going to use, and I know I got to put like a clamp on here, but it's my first time using that. I don't know if I'm supposed to go like this, which no, it's like this. So I'm going to go like this, or is it the other way? Because see, these are like right there. You see what I'm talking about? So these are like right there, and then this is like way the fuck over here. So yeah, I gotta look that up. My first time using this. Cut a 7.25, and I'm using that as a guide for the other ones, so they all pretty much will come out the same way. I need 6 of them. All right, so I figured it out. Got the clamp on there, got all the pieces of wood cut, and then I'm gonna set this to 1.5, and then I'm gonna go get another battery for my drill because the battery ran out, of course. And then I have the fan on. I know it's loud because it's humid and about to rain over here, so forgive me for that. Not really. see. Oh, it's kind of moving. Kind of moving. I have to tighten that hole down a little bit. Well, that was easy. Ha 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 ha. Let's see. I need to get better clamps. Well, I'll be a son of a bitch. There we go. I'm gonna try get that going over there, see how it goes. Man, I just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these in like 5 minutes. Well, maybe even 10 because I kept having to put the clamp. But I highly recommend it. I know you can't hear me because of the stupid fan, but I highly recommend it. All right, so put some wood glue on it, and then that's the first one. Do the second one, keep going like that, and then eventually I'm gonna put the shelves across. All right, so I got all those set up. Now I'm gonna do the shelves. All right, I'm gonna use a piece of wood to measure the length of for the shelf. I know I have music on in the background, but I don't give a fuck. It's been a long day. So I'm just gonna measure this out. I could use a tape measure, but I just like doing this because it's faster to me. So I'm gonna do it for each one. Got the side of that bitch. I'm gonna do the other side and I'm pretty much done. So I got the sides and everything. So it's just a basic design. It's not perfect at all, by no means. It's not perfect at all, by no means. But it's okay, holds the weight. And that's all I need. I put all my woodworking tools there. Comments, suggestions, all that, leave it in the shit. I know I'm gonna get shit. I know it's not pretty, I don't care. Subscribe, like, share, and all that. Love you, bye.